Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 and I'm going to show you how to change the language on both of the information screens. So I say both screens because this screen here and this screen here are actually set up separately, so you do have to change the language on both of them. So the first thing we're going to do is just turn the ignition on without starting the car, and that will liven up our screens. We're then going to press the OK button to enter the service menu, and then you can scroll all the way down to display settings. So you can either hit OK or go to the right, and then you'll see at the top there you've got language. Again, hit OK or go to the right, and then you can actually scroll through to whichever language you want to select. So I'm just going to leave mine here on English. Hit OK, and then when you hit back, obviously mine was in English to start, so it stays in English. So that is how easy it is to do the one in the dashboard there. So the second one on the entertainment screen, all we're going to do is press the setup button here, and then we go to, we've got screen, system, voice, audio, we go to system, and then we've got language, and then you can hit change there. And then again, same thing, you can scroll all the way up and down to all the different languages available. I'll leave mine on English UK, and then when you hit the return buttons, it will have gone to your required language. So nice and simple, but it's a shame they're not synchronized. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.